Good morning, everybody. Yeah, so I shut the wrong light off. I am going to Walgreens this morning because I am working on my Christmas cards because they need to be done, and I forgot my keys. God dang. I just got dressed. It's like 10:30 in the morning. Just got dressed and I forgot something else because I have to send something back. You guys. But yeah, I gotta go to the post office and get stamps. I gotta go to Walgreens and get more Christmas cards because we ran out of Christmas cards. I always keep 2 for the kids for their album, and then we're like about 10 short. So going to go order more Christmas cards, and then I gotta drop a package off. So that is what I am doing this morning. It is a crappy day outside. It's like wet, cold. But yeah, so no makeup on today because I just want to get gifts wrapped. It won't work on the kids' wraps, but I'm going to work on some gift exchanges that I got to do. I got to wrap that stuff. I want to get that stuff out right away. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so I'm having a very emotional day. I don't know if it's just the depression or not. I have to get stuff ready and I just don't want to. I'm just finishing my movie I was watching this morning, and Charlotte just woke up from her nap. She only took like a good 30-minute nap. So I look like crap because I'm just emotional. But let's see how Miss Charlotte's doing. Where's Charlotte? There she is! Is she smiling from her nap? Yeah! Yes, you are! Okay, you guys, so Miss Charlotte just woke up. She's like, what are you doing, Mom? She's like, what are you doing? She's like, gotta smile for the camera, even though I just woke up from a nap. Yeah. Say yeah. She is about to crawl, you guys. She got up on her hands and knees today. And then I think we're gonna give her some cheese today. You want some cheese? Maybe? Maybe? I don't know yet. We're going to see how that does. But she's been really taking an interest at regular food and not baby food. So I have to see what I can do for her today. But she's doing pretty good, isn't she? Hey, you guys. Yeah. So I've been kind of slacking today because today I just wanted a nice, relaxing day from, like, you know, couponing.
I'm going to show you something over here.
Oh, coupon.
That's
okay. Couponing just really wears me out on Sundays because, like, I spend like the whole day, you know, couponing, editing. But today Benjamin really wants to do his advent calendar, so we're gonna figure out.
No, and the different bucket.
Okay.
What?
So today is the 9th. So Ben's gonna open number 9.
Where's 9?
Where's number 9?
Right here.
Okay, good job.
Yeah, I cannot show you a video.
I was gonna show the monkey. What is it? What can you tell me that is? What is that? What is it?
This is where a monkey lives.
It's called the Jungle Book. Ooh-wee ooh, I wanna be like you, boo boo. Okay.
I live there.
Okay, so he does live there. The monkey lives there. Okay, now let's do the other one. Let's do the Thomas.
Let's open it.
Okay, so today is number 9, and you always have a hard time opening this, so we're just gonna... Man, another Christmas one. They're really popping out the Christmas ones right away. What's that one? It's a gingerbread house. Can we say who it is? It is Emily again.
Where is the counter?
So we got
chocolate counter.
Another Emily. I don't know what you did with that little man, so this one's kind of cool. I like this one. Little gingerbread. So, yes, so I'm right now working on Christmas presents. I'm doing a swap with a couple people, so I'm working on getting that all picked up. And I'm working on something I made with my Cricut, so you guys will have to stay tuned on what I make. But my house is kind of a mess right now, but this is all easy stuff to work on. I just have to pick up my stuff because I finished my Christmas cards. It took me all morning. We just got done watching A Preacher's Wife. So now I'm trying to figure out what next Christmas movie to watch, you guys. Like, I have a lot of movies. I have a lot of movies. So I'm just trying to figure out.
I got a lot of movies for heard me a lot.
Yeah, so I got a lot of movies, but I think I'm gonna watch Netflix and watch the Christmas Prince #3. Miss Charlotte's just chilling. She's like, I'm 7 months old today. Yes, I am. I can't believe you. She doesn't want to focus. It doesn't want to focus. But, yep, tree. I don't know why it's not focusing, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I am working on a project right now because I want to get this done because I just have ambition to do it. But I have been saving a Christmas card since Graham and I have been together.
And now you want to look at my Hot Wheels?
Oh,
This is my favorite one, between scene size. And all these other ones are my favorite. But I like this one the most with all these other ones. I like the most because they got a bunch of Hot Wheels that I put in the shop that I don't like.
Okay, so basically what Ben and I, or what I have been doing is putting Christmas cards of us in an album every single...
And we need to take the one...
Yep. Okay, honey. I've been putting a Christmas card in our album every single year, and then I actually started one with Ben since he was born, so every single year I always keep a Christmas card for him, and then I'm going to start one for Charlotte. So Ben's going to help me put our Christmas card in the box, but I got to tape it in there, honey, so you just got to wait a second. So, yeah. So basically I just kind of tape it on just with regular tape. I'm debating if I want to do like stickers and stuff eventually. What I think I might do, since I have a Cricut machine, is I might write like what year it is, even though it does have a year on it. I still might do a year just because it's kind of cool. But yeah, this is something that I do for us, and I think this is kind of cool.
Dry.
So yeah, it's kind of neat, isn't it? You like it?
Dry.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Sorry I didn't post my Vlogmas video from yesterday. It was just such a boring day, and I didn't want to bore you guys, so I thought I'm just going to make it a 2-day one. I look like crap, and yes, I'm in the van. I had a chiropractor appointment this morning, and I thought it was at 9:30. So I called, and I couldn't find my reminder card. I didn't put it on my calendar. So I called them at like 8:48. I says, hey, can you tell me when my chiropractor appointment is, because I'm having tailbone problems. She's like, oh yeah, it's at 9 o'clock. And I'm like, oh my gosh. Thank God Charlotte was dressed. I'm in sweatpants, you guys. Like, that's how bad it is. So I basically just changed my shirt because I spilled milk from my cereal all over my shirt. I just changed my shirt and just kind of combed my hair, but you can't tell. And I made it there just on time because it's in the same, near the same town as I live. So she's like, oh, it's okay. And I'm like, yeah, but I hate going in public, especially like in the clothes I just slept in. I hate it. So it is 9:17. I'm gonna go home. I gotta wrap a couple gifts, and Benjamin and I are gonna go to gymnastics later today, and then I have a doctor's appointment for Charlotte, and then I'm just gonna run some errands while I'm out and about. It is 13 degrees outside, if you guys can see that. It is cold. It went from like 30 degrees to 13, and it is cold. So yeah, so I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm not even on the phone. Oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna get going, and I will show you guys what we're doing later today. Okay, you guys, so I am back. So we went to the doctor's appointment today, okay, you guys? And I get there, and I'm like, yep, we're here. You know, Charlotte just needs her shot. So they're like, well, we don't have an appointment for you. And I'm like, are you serious? I'm like...
Guys, let's do the book one.
Yeah. I'm like, are you serious? Like, today I messed up the times on my chiropractor appointment. I also forgot Ben's, you know, gymnastics thing. I totally remembered her appointment, and then they don't have it written down or something. So they ended up like, okay, we'll get her shot anyways because it needs to be done. So I'm just like, oh my God, you guys, like, today is just not my day with appointments. So then we went shopping today. And we went to Kohl's. I had Kohl's Cash. I found some pants for Benjamin. They're a little pricey, but they keep the butt cracking. Oh, Ben found, he's already opening his thing, and show everybody what you got.
Pinocchio.
Pinocchio. We got Pinocchio.
Let's open this one.
Pinocchio.
Let's open number 10.
Number 10.
That's the day today. Whoa!
Whoa, what one's that?
It's ice.
It says it's Scarlowy, but it's clear. That one's super cool. Show Daddy.
What you got, bud?
Okay, you guys, so I've been slacking on my advent calendar.
Dad, we got one more.
So I think we forgot we're going to do number 8 and 9 and 10 because that's how bad I've been slacking on my advent calendar. Ben's going to find number 10 on his. So here we got
number 10.
some velvet matte lipstick. So that was for day number 8.
I got Woody's. It's a star.
Oh, it's a star?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to put number 8 back. We're going to open number 9. Benjamin, Charlotte's getting your advent calendar. She's like, ooh, I want that. Oh, Benjamin, don't do that, honey. Can you put it back, please? Put it in the spot where we put it so it doesn't get ruined. Put it right next to the Christmas tree, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Everybody's getting ready to go to bed, so. Ooh, another lipstick, and this one is a shiny sheer lip gloss.
It's open now. Wait, it's open.
Okay, find number 10 for me, please. I need your help for number 10.
Yeah.
Okay, what do we got? I'm going to open it nicely. I don't know why I keep putting these in here. Okay, here. Oh, here.
What's it?
There you go. I think this is an eyeshadow palette. I wonder if they do go in an order. I think they do. Yeah, they're doing it in an order, so it kind of ruins it in the back.
Whoa!
Whoa, what do we get? We got a matte bronzer. That's a really dark bronzer.
Hey.
So, I don't know. I'm not liking all the colors that they have in this box, or this advent calendar. It's still kind of cool to see what you get, but, okay, Ben's going to put it back in there. But I don't know. I probably wouldn't buy it again. I'd probably get something different, but that's okay. So we're just going to put that there. But yes, Miss Charlotte's almost ready to crawl, you guys. Like, she's just getting into everything. Aren't you, Miss Charlotte? Yeah. So we're going to call it a night. I got to wrap some gifts. I have to work tomorrow, you guys. Tomorrow is my last day working at my job. You guys will find out where I work. I'm going to vlog it while I'm leaving the parking lot if I remember. But I've been there for 14.5 years, so I am ready to quit and be a stay-at-home mom and a full-time YouTuber. So there's that. But if anything ever happens, you know, I can always go back because I did work my full 2 weeks. So there is that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This crazy 2 days. Benjamin, stop it, honey. I hope you guys enjoyed these crazy 2 days. Yesterday was just kind of a bland day, and then today is just forgetful days. So yeah, Benjamin's just being silly.
Stop the camera!
Stop the camera! Okay, well, we're gonna settle down. We're going to settle down now, and I'm going to work on my Walgreens video for you guys. But thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.